It's a cold, rainy day today, and we're sitting here in bed with our coats on, trying to stay warm. We haven't had a rainy day in a long time because we're still in Arizona, pretty close to the desert, but a little bit higher up. We would go into town today and get a little warm, but Camp's struggling with some allergies, so we kind of have to tend to him 24/7, but that's okay. I've been reading about dog health, and I think I'm gonna get up and make some food because so many of you are obsessed with food that we eat in the Scamp. This is some matcha powder in warm water. It's packed full of antioxidants. This one I bought with no added sugar. It was really hard to find and pretty expensive, but it tastes good and I think it's good for me. It has a really earthy taste, so I'm gonna make it taste a little more fun with some almond milk. Some cayenne pepper, some cacao, and some coconut oil. I don't like it. Ugh. It tastes like a vitamin with terrible sugar-free protein shake.
It's raining Dippin' Dots out here.
I'm making eggs today for Camp's food and to make a little egg sandwich for us. Whoa! Uh-oh. This probably wasn't the pan I should have used to cook this. This wasn't the best idea that I've ever had.
But who's to blame?
We don't normally have eggs on hand, but they're really good for camp, and they also make a really good shampoo substitute. Oh yeah, and you can eat them. We're in a weird place here in Prescott. We are planning on leaving and heading toward Flagstaff, back toward Colorado, but today happens to be very cold and rainy, unlike all the rest of the days we've been here.
It's more haily than rainy.
Yeah, actually, you're right. There hasn't been any rain, really. Just hail.
Oh my god, eggs! It's hailing on the solar panel, which is okay because it's goal 0. And we're still getting 45 watts of power in. That's pretty cool. An egg cake.
When we do buy eggs, we like to buy organic.
Like free range, non-GMO, wild chickens.
Just expensive eggs. We try hard with eggs because they can be really gnarly if you don't.
Our eggs are wild caught. Wild caught chicken eggs.
This is the assembly. We've got spinach and arugula, tomato, avocado, eggs from the egg cake, salt, pepper, Cholula, and a piece of toast. Dang, boy.
Pretty good, right?
It is good. Other than not being able to hold on to it.
Camera? You got it!
I ain't never been in a hailstorm like this before.
Gadzooks.
Rainy days and windy days are some of our favorites because we're kind of forced to slow down and chill out and only stay inside the Scamp. These days come with a lot of reading, drawing, journaling, editing, writing. Have you ever... Farron?
What? Why are you just showing them your orange for 30 minutes? I don't understand.
Juice pockets. The inside of an orange. Have you ever been... Like, if you mess up my monologue one more time.
Juice pockets.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations, so all my friends are turning green. You're the magician's assistant in your dreams. And they come unstuck, lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I'm gonna be your left hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, cause you gonna sing the words wrong. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I'm gonna be your left hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, cause you gonna sing the words wrong. Still got my coat on. It is 8:50 and time for bed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.